Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laura Dunstan. I'm in the Community Partnerships team at the Great Barrier Reef Foundation, and today I'm presenting on a new toolkit for measuring Great Barrier Reef community stewardship. And this is on behalf of Dr. Angela Dean, Tracy Schultz from UQ, and Jen Loader from the Great Barrier Reef Foundation. I'd like to start by recognising the traditional custodians of this land, the Walguru people of Gorrinbil Borough and Yumbinan. Okay, so across the vast stretch of reef and coastline, there are hundreds of community-led initiatives, as well as individual actions that are collectively caring for the reef. These community stewardship efforts are recognised as important and referenced within a range of policy frameworks and plans. However, there was no systematic approach to monitoring and evaluating stewardship actions, and this was identified as a key gap to fill through the Reef Integrated Monitoring and Reporting Analysis to report on the Reef 2050 plan. So, the Great Barrier Reef Foundation, Community Reef Protection and Integrated Monitoring and Reporting components, and that includes the UQ Reef Stewardship Project that you just learned about from Tracy. We decided to work in collaboration to address this gap. So we started with speaking with 15 organisations leading stewardship work to really understand their stewardship actions, goals and needs to inform the design of a proposed stewardship monitoring approach. Now, some of those insights there you'll see is that, well, community want to better understand the social impacts of their work. They want to know about participant motivations, knowledge and capacity. But few organisations were undertaking stewardship monitoring due to time, capacity and resourcing constraints. So tools need to be practical. They need to be easy to use, flexible and generate data that is useful and credible. And community want to show how their work is contributing towards collective impact for the reef and see alignment with those regional and reef-wide plans. So the Protect team started with defining what stewardship means, then asking what are the monitoring needs of the Reef 2050, as well as reef stakeholders and community. We then developed a draft stewardship monitoring plan and well-defined and measurable reef stewardship indicators, and then the toolkit to support community to collect and use stewardship data through a range of resources. A draft toolkit was developed in 2022 and then trialled with our Great Barrier Reef Foundation community project partners. And Tracy did an amazing job working with over 20 of our community partners to pilot the toolkit resources and provide one-on-one tailored support. And some of that amazing support included tools for collecting data throughout their project in a systematic way, like the impact tracker, data collection methods that are easy to use and really fit for purpose, engagement and communication plans, surveys specifically for youth, communication products for changing behaviours and increasing participation, and data to help them demonstrate the impact of their projects, which help to increase investment and partnerships for their work. And then the toolkit was then revised this year, and we're now in the final phase of refinement. So the toolkit includes that conceptual framework that Tracy mentioned, which has those key elements of the reef stewardship system to guide monitoring. In the middle there are the core stewardship indicators designed to measure the impact of stewardship and alignment with the Reef 2050 plan, and a monitoring action plan template. And that includes measures that are linked to all of our project partners' reporting requirements. Okay, we would love for you to get involved. So please grab your phones and use this QR code. It will take you to the Great Barrier Reef Foundation website so you can have a look through the draft toolkit and all of the other amazing resources on the website as well. So we really would love your feedback. And hopefully you're all booked in for the workshop tomorrow afternoon as well to learn more about the community-led reef stewardship work. So that's it. Just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone at the Protect team, Jen Loader from the Great Barrier Reef Foundation, and of course all of our amazing project partners that have been involved. Thank you.